Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels Mod Rod. This is from the Hot Wheels Flame series for 2021, number 1 of 5, and you can see that awesome package design. Well, they're all the same, but whatever. 189 of 250 for 2021. International card, GTB 16's the number, 2020 copyright. In blue, and I open up the recolor of it. I didn't upload the video because the video was bad. It was a Q case mass unboxing, but I didn't get around to opening it. And this video is probably going to be uploaded like maybe a month after this video was made. Nice clean open there. And I can already say that I like the blue version of this way better than the white version. Just the blue and the orange really sticks out with those flames. And you can see that beautiful mod rod there. Gorgeous casting. Well, the colors at least are gorgeous. I don't really like, well, I'm not really too big of a fan of the actual casting. And you can see those flame details right there. We got DD8 wheels with yellow rim, or yellow stripe on it, rather. Engine is plastic, but very cool to see that nice shiny engine. What? There's a sunroof. Okay, and there's the doors here. It's getting pretty dark and cold and windy out here, but doesn't it look pretty cool to just see it like this outside? It really isn't too cold out, actually. It's probably like 40 or something. But yeah, beautiful. All that blue with the flames is the die-cast part of our mod rod. You can see that grill right there. 2021 Hot Wheels mod rod. First color. This came out in the K case, I believe. K case, J case, and K case, I believe. Or K and L. Whatever. 2019 copyright. Black plastic base. And this casting did first come out in the Factory Fresh 2019 line. It didn't even look like a Factory Fresh in that set. It's a cool casting though, definitely adding it to the collection. Because I add everything to the collection.